Can you still install IPA files on your iPhone in 2025? The answer is yes. You can safely and legally install IPA files on your iPhone in 2025 by using trusted sideloading tools that follow Apple's guidelines. The first method would be to install with Sideloadly, which requires a computer. First, you have to download Sideloadly from the official site and install it on your Windows PC or Mac. Next, you have to connect your iPhone. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Drag and drop the IPA file. Open Sideloadly, then drag your IPA file into the app window. Enter your Apple ID, since this is used to sign the app securely. Next, you have to click Start to install. Hit Start and wait for the installation to complete. No jailbreak required. This method complies with Apple's signing process. Method 2. Install using on-device tools, which requires no computer. First, you have to install eSign or FlexStore by downloading them directly to your iPhone. Import the IPA file. Open the app and load your IPA file into it. Next, you have to sign and trust the app. Follow the steps to sign the app and go to Settings, then General, and finally VPN and Device Management to trust the certificate before launching the app. No computer or jailbreak required. This method is still within legal usage boundaries. Important reminder, avoid pirated or unauthorized IPA files. Only use IPA files that you legally own or are allowed to install. A short summary, you can legally sideload IPA files on your iPhone in 2025 using Sideloadly, which requires a PC or Mac, and through eSign or FlexStore on your iPhone device without needing a computer. These tools do not require jailbreaking and keep you within Apple's sideloading policies, as long as the apps are yours to install and signed using your Apple ID. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only. It adheres to YouTube's terms of service, avoids promoting illegal activity, and respects Apple's official usage policies to the best extent possible for sideloading in 2025. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.